Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Android phone if you forgot the password for some reason. And this is very easy to do. Now we're going to force turn off our phone and then restart it into the recovery mode. So on your normal Android phone that's not a Samsung where you don't have this extra like Bixby button, all you have to do is hold down the power button and the volume down button. Then once your phone turns off, switch from the volume down button to the volume up and the power button. So let's do this now. So I'm going to go power button and volume down now. Then it's going to take a screenshot and then it's going to restart. And then once it turns off, I'm going to switch now to volume up, power button, hold this down. And when the name of the phone goes away, let go. And then you should be in the recovery options. So this is probably the latest version of Android, Android 14 with my Honor device. And when this goes away, I'm going to let go. Now, I should have the option to boot into the recovery mode. So you can see Magic OS right here. Use the volume keys, go up and down. And then we can go on over to clear data. Now this is going to erase all the data off your phone. So if you got any pictures on your phone, hopefully you have those backed up to the cloud on Google Pictures or something like that. Otherwise you could try transferring this over to your computer and get everything out of the DCIM folder. But most of the time it does require a lock to unlock it. So go to clear data and then hit the power button, and this will remove the password key from your phone. So I'm just going to restart my phone. Now on your Samsung phone, this is going to be a little bit different. So you want to press the volume down and the power button once again. So let's hold this down, and it's going to take a screenshot. Now when the phone turns off though, we want to switch from the Bixby button, power button, and the volume up button. So you got to press 3 buttons down. And the recovery mode is going to look a little bit different now. And you're going to want to go to clear the wipe data. Okay, so here it is. And then wait for this to go away. So boom, there it is. And this is what the recovery options look like on this phone. So just going down to where it says factory reset, hit the power button, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.